Genepharm is a privately owned pharmaceutical company that develops, manufactures, markets and distributes premium-range generic pharmaceutical products on an international level. While our journey began with a strong focus on the Greek market, where we have always sold directly under our own brand name, we have since evolved into a truly international company, earning global recognition and respect. Through continuous investment in technology and infrastructure, Genepharm leads the way in the development of new pharmaceutical products. By leveraging strategic in-licensing agreements, the company maintains its leading position in the Greek market. The trust of physicians and patients forms the foundation of its success, while its international presence now extends to over 90 countries, supported by high-profile partnerships. Genepharm's 14,000 square meter state-of-the-art facilities in Pallini, Attica are equipped with advanced production lines designed to deliver both conventional and oncology solid dosage forms with precision and excellence. Every Genepharm product is rigorously tested at every stage of production, meeting the highest international standards. Backed by our expertise and cutting-edge technology, we guarantee safety, efficacy, and consistent quality. Our commitment: trusted treatments, uncompromising quality. Through continuous investment in the training of our highly skilled personnel and the development of new and innovative products and services, Genepharm aims to be a leader in the generics pharmaceutical industry. At Genepharm, our foremost commitment is to people, supported by an unwavering dedication to product quality. Our mission is to sustain continuous growth while delivering high-quality pharmaceutical products and services to the global market.